Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite drones to buy and what I would recommend right now at the beginning of 2018. So, since I just crashed my drone and since I've been on the DJI website a lot lately, I figured naturally I'd just make a video outlining the drones they offer in my opinion on which one you should buy. Now, before you leave a hate comment saying there's so many other brands other than DJI. I know. I realize that. I am really only into the DJI ecosystem, so there may be some great drones that other brands make, but this video in particular is talking about DJI drones and their current offerings as of the beginning of 2018. So this is a series I think I might start. Maybe I'll incorporate other drone companies as time goes on. I'm just starting out with DJI, but as new drones come out, I want to keep updating you on my thoughts on which one you should buy. Alright, so we're going to start off with what I think is the best beginner drone, and that goes to the Phantom 3 SE. So this is a special edition release of the Phantom 3 Standard, which upgraded the 2.7K camera to 4K. So I think for $100 more at $600, this is the best beginner drone. I have a Phantom 3 Standard, which I purchased before the SE came out, and I have been loving it. Now, if I had the option at the time to pay another $100 for 4K, I absolutely would have done it, which is why I'm recommending that as the best beginner drone. It's got a lot of features, it's a great price, $600. Now, some downsides are it's kind of a clunky remote. There's not a lot of features to it, that is the remote, and the distance isn't very far. So you can't get far out before it comes back. But the good news is it does have GPS. So if you fly it too far out and you lose connection on your remote control, rest assured that it will fly back to you. Now, what if you have a little more to spend and you travel a lot? Because that's one thing I'll say. The Phantom 3 SE or any of the other drones I'm going to mention are not fun to travel with. I traveled with my Phantom 3 Standard. I took it to Hawaii and I took it to California, and I did it. So it can be done, but it was not the most fun thing. I did a lot of research on the bag I got. I'll have it linked in the description. It was one of the few bags that could fit the drone and go on an airplane as a carry-on because I was not going to check that puppy. So, if you're going to be traveling a lot, you don't have a ton of money, I would go with the DJI Spark. Now, my reasoning behind this is because it's tiny and it's cheap. However, the quality isn't great. It has a 1080p camera, it only has a 2-axis gimbal instead of 3, so you're making some sacrifices. With that being said, this drone is ridiculously tiny. Like, take an iPhone 8, add some arms to it, and that's pretty much the size of the Spark. For $650 you can get yourself that and the remote. And actually right now they have a sale going on. It's $500, so if you're lucky enough to be watching this while they're still having that sale, it's your lucky day because that's a really good price. But like I said, that is for convenience and traveling. You're gonna get some cool footage. I think it's great quality for like a vlog or just a casual video, but I wanna drill it into you that this is a convenient drone, not a high quality drone. It's tiny, so it probably doesn't have a whole lot of stabilization or control to it. It does have GPS, but just keep in mind the camera quality is not very great. Now I want to deal with the elephant in the room, because I know you guys who know about DJI are thinking, what about the Mavic? Why is he not recommended that? Well, I know this is not the popular opinion, but I don't like the Mavic. I never have. Because even though it says 4K, the quality just isn't there. If you put it side by side to the Phantom 4 Advanced or Pro, you can tell a massive difference. And look, here's my thinking. I get it. If you need a small drone, you want something convenient, that's fine. But at that point, it's not about quality anymore, it's about convenience. So I don't think it's worth spending $1,000 on the Mavic Pro when the Spark is only $650 and it's even smaller. So that's why I say if you need something small for travel, go with the Spark. If you're a beginner and you just want to start a drone, go with the Phantom 3 SE. Now, what if you got some cheddar to drop into things? Well, I would recommend the Phantom 4 Pro. It has outstanding camera quality, a lot of control, the Lightspeed remote technology, it's GPS, it has a 7-kilometer range, and most impressive, it has 5-direction obstacle avoidance. This might come in handy if, say, you let your friend fly your drone and he crashes it into a tree. Yeah, roasted. Maybe if I had had the Phantom 4 Pro with the obstacle avoidance, maybe it would have been saved. I don't know. But it is $1,500, but like I said, it is the best quality for the money. 1,500 bucks gets you a super high quality, solid drone. So to recap, if you're a beginner, I would recommend the Phantom 3 SE. If you need a drone for travel that's light and convenient, I would recommend the DJI Spark. And if you want the best all-around baller drone for consumers, not getting into the pro market, I would say go with the Phantom 4 Pro. So I hope that helps you guys out. Which DJI drone do you like? Definitely be sure to drop a comment down below, and also let me know if you'd like me to take a look at other companies for next time. If you want like an all-out comparison between several different drone manufacturers, I'm open to that. I just needed a video for this week and DJI was on my mind. So that's why I did just DJI for this time. Well, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. That's gonna do it for this video. If you liked it, please be sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, and enable post notifications so you don't miss when I release new content. And with that said, I'll catch you guys next time.